Got attacked by dogs. This is the border control. Hello. Officially, we are in Slovenia. 1, 2, 3, go! Look, someone's backyard. Looks amazing. Oh, wow. The place we stayed at is over there. It's at 1,226 meters of height. Imagine how high this mountain is.
Today we woke up to this beautiful view from our balcony in a city called Spital, a small town in the southern region of Austria, and finally heading down to Slovenia. Have you ever spent weeks planning something only to realize that you have no idea what it's actually going to be like? That's where I was this morning. I've seen photos, watched videos, planned routes, read about the roads, but none of that tells you how the place will make you feel once you get there. Sometimes we spend so much time imagining a place that it starts to feel familiar, even though we have never been there. You imagine the views, the roads, the feeling of finally being there. But until you arrive, it's nothing but an idea. Today, I finally get to find out for myself, and I finally get to ride the road I wanted to ride for a very long time. If everything goes to plan, by tonight, we will be somewhere far up high in Slovenian mountains. But that's not gonna come easy. Before that, we have a whole day of riding ahead of us. A whole day of unfamiliar roads, unexpected stops, and a lot of gas stations. This is one of the things that I love the most about traveling with a loose plan, that you don't know what the day is gonna bring your way. Stick around and let's find out.
Here we are in the city of Village. Everything was closed at the gas station. We decided to come into the town. It really looks like you are in a foreign country. What's that? I think it's looks like a church, isn't it? Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, it's a beautiful church with a mountain in the background. This is so nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go in somewhere here. And we can park somewhere and just see. Yeah. That was so close to me. Really nice, yeah, it's so pretty. It's white and blue, yeah. It looks like those ice cream lollies. Oh, sorry, it's white and it's white and pink. We need to get close to the church somehow. Here, maybe? Let me see. Let's just go in and see. Oh, yeah. I'll just park here somewhere behind the church. Get off here. Oh, I can't wait to take my helmet off already. It's just been driving for like 5 minutes and it's already getting really hot inside the helmet. Is it? I don't know if they call it. If they call language Slovenian or what's it called? Slovenish, but something like that. I was supposed to turn and I missed it again. Let's see. It's a private place, private parking or something. Oh, they are. I think they're coming in here. Sorry, guys. And we were supposed to go left from here. Yes. Yeah, I'm getting a bit confused with the roads. Like, here we are. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not saying we are going there, but there is no excuse not to go there. I need to go back because I don't want to miss some drone shots there. And then you can, let's see, we need to find out a way. Oh wow, that looks beautiful. Ah, private parking. Oh, private parking. I mean, you could stand here for just a little bit and then...
It was not too long after our first stop at the church that we came across this beautiful lake called Lake Faak from the top of the mountain road. So we had to stop and find a way to get down there. We found a road on the map and decided to follow it. And the further we went, the better it got. Winding roads through the woods, with mountains appearing between the trees. And when we finally reached, we took a walking trail for about 15 minutes to reach as close to the water as possible. And there it was. The blue-green intense color of the lake almost felt unreal. The tiny particles of the limestone carried from the mountain scattered the light around this lake. And that's where the lake gets its picture-perfect color from. There are no motorboats allowed in this lake even during the summertime. And that's what makes the lake so peaceful. We finally found a spot by the water, slowed everything down for a couple of hours, just enjoyed it. Luckily, this is not going to be a hike. We're just like 10 minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes walk from the water. We're going to go back maybe in a couple of hours. And here we are. I can already see the water. Oh, wow. This is what people are doing here. Hello. Is it okay if I film? Is it okay? Yeah? There you go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go! So nice. Gonna just walk down to the water. It's very steep. If I fall, all my camera gear is in the water. It's gonna be a very expensive mistake. It's so nice to see people are jumping. There's a rope hanging. And there you go. It's a smash. I wish I could do that, but no, I don't dare to. By this far on our trip, the weather started to become hotter. The temperatures would reach around 30-35 degrees during the afternoon. And finding a spot like this, chilling for a couple of hours in a hot day, was actually perfect.
Oh, this is the border control. Hello. And officially we are in Slovenia. That coffee shop is open or something like the, yeah, let's go there. Let's go there and check. There was no passport control here. So we are heading into the country. Couldn't find something to eat at this supermarket. It felt like one of those duty-free shops. Still a lot of like booze and cigarettes and stuff like that. And since it's Sunday, everything is closed. All the restaurants and everything, so our only options are gas stations. Hello guys, I can feel it already. It's getting a little bit cold. Like, yeah, we're in the mountains, so you know, like this road's gonna be a lot of zigzags. I'm just gonna take it easy. It doesn't feel a lot different than Austria, but the only thing I notice is that the trees are more dense somehow. You know, this is the best time to be on these roads because the sun is getting golden. And then you get to see all those beautiful colors and shadows, the sunlight coming from the trees. Makes everything look prettier. Ho 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 ho. So nice here. Wow, look at that. Look up there. Faaker. This town is called Faaker. Yeah, I remember. I saw it on the map. So guys, welcome to Faaker. This is a very small town just by the border of Austria and Slovenia. The views here are epic. The population is not so much. I don't see any people, hardly see any people on the roads. And most of the cars on the roads, it seems like they are just passing by. But look at up there, so huge. Wow. And here we go to the left, to the left, to the left. Now that was a wide curve. You can't? Yeah. Got attacked by dogs. Yeah, I think it's fine. I just got scared because something on the road smelled like burning. So we need to, no, we need to back up a little bit. And 2, 3. The bike is so heavy, I cannot push it myself. Yep. Here we go. something in the air that smells. Or yeah, that was a bit scary for a second. I thought it was my like crossbar bags that's hanging on the side of the motorcycle, and they are made of rubber, waterproof rubber. But yeah, it's good. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's gone now. I just turned into this small road. I see a lot of motorcycles. Maybe there are like restaurants and it's a hotel. There are maybe some restaurants open here. That place is open. This is a restaurant. This is open. It's a lot of meat and stuff. It's a grill house, yeah. Smells good, yeah. Grill is not on our menu today. I'll just go further. It's really nice here. You know, we were. Oh, look at it. It's full with bikers. Seems like a town center or something. Yeah. Yeah, maybe they do. A lot of hotels, bike rent service, okay. Yeah, nice. It's a nice little town. We should eat here, you know? Like, look, everything's open here. Yeah. Okay, let me turn back. Look, this. I will just find somewhere to turn back. No, here. Yeah, maybe here. It's so good. Let me just turn here. Look, someone's backyard. It looks amazing. Oh, wow. Yeah. I just on to the left over there. It's there's a big parking. There is. I can see the bike there. So why don't I park next to it? Maybe it should be okay here. If one is here, then let's go down. Yes. There are a lot of places that rent bikes here, so if you happen to be here and you don't have your own motorcycle, you don't have to worry. And there are a lot of like places they rent cycles as well. So I'm gonna take a walk and find some food.
The search of food brought us to this charming town called Kranjska Gora, which is right into the Julian Alps, surrounded by seriously impressive mountains. This is also where the famous road of Virsik Pass begins, the highest road in Slovenia, sitting at 1,611 meters high, with 50 sharp turns taking you all the way up to the mountains. And somewhere nearby is Lake Jasna, a small interconnected artificial lake surrounded by mountains. We hadn't come here looking for any of that. In fact, we were just looking for dinner. And just because you were hungry, you suddenly find yourself walking around with the sun going down behind the mountains. We grabbed some food, explored the town a little bit, and just took the atmosphere before continuing the rest of the ride towards our hotel. And this is the end of our first day in Slovenia.
So we are finally heading to our hotel. It was such a good idea not to take that gas station stop for dinner. The views were so nice, so I just turned to an unplanned road, and we ended up in this small town, and we are 14 minutes away from our hotel. That's gonna be our next stop for tonight, and we are staying there for 2 nights because we want to explore the area.
I'm gonna go in and see if this is a place for our check-in. Excuse me, hello. Where do we check in?
Here.
Here, yeah. I have a reservation.
Do you want breakfast in the morning?
Yes, please. What time is the breakfast?
7 to 9.
7 to 9. Yeah, that'd be great. Perfect.
Number 9, there's the steps on second floor.
Second floor up the stairs. Okay, thank you. And what time do you close this?
At 10.
At 10 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah, but you can sit outside.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just closed the door and you can
Sit outside?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, this is the place. So we came to the right place. Let's go up and check out the room. So this is our room for tonight, and it looks like this. It's for a big family, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 beds, but we have all this room to ourselves. They gave it to 2 because they don't have rooms. So this is gonna be our room for tonight and tomorrow.